Analysts at Saxo Bank said inflation could go up to 15%, but let's make it clear. The current inflation rate computation is manipulated to make inflation look like it's manageable. Even with that, Saxo Bank is saying it's going to hit 15%. That means real inflation will probably be closer to 30. Reuters interviewed Steen Jakobsen, chief economics and CIO at Saxo Bank. Jakobsen said that by no means a forecast of what's to come, but rather a deep dive into known unknowns. However, Jakobsen emphasized the prediction is not outrageous at all. He pointed out to a possible energy crisis this winter, combined with supply chain issues, rising rents, and also wages going through the roof. The 15% figure is based on the assumption that every inflation cycle tends to go above its past historic peak. So in that case, 15% would just be what happened in the early 1980s. For Jakobsen, the swift shift in the Fed's stance on inflation reflects the realization that Main Street in America is about to feel the pain of rising prices, biting into their purchase power with all the political consequences it might entail. So what would a 15% inflation mean for investors? Stagflation. Stagflation is a term used to describe how slow economic growth at a time of high inflation. Ole Hansen, head of commodity strategy at Saxo Bank, added that a 15% inflation will be good for gold. The possibility that the Federal Reserve loses control over inflation will continue to support gold prices through 2022. He added that the Fed tried to get it in front of the curve, it would create a new recession. Currently, the gold market is still below 2,000. There are many reasons for this, including lack of investor interest as the Federal Reserve looks to start tightening monetary policy next year. There are growing market expectations for the U.S. Central Bank to start raising interest rates in June, with a total of 4 rate hikes next year. However, rising inflation, volatile crypto market, and a threatening Omicron infection rate will force people to refocus towards more stable assets. This could push gold to cross through its all-time high, break through 2,000, break through 2,070, and go to the number that I think it's going to go to very soon, which is 2,500. Now, this is not financial advice, this is just my personal belief. It's just that we see there is data out there that the inflation is going to go much higher. So talk to a financial advisor, rebalance your portfolio, and if you want to learn about what we do at Noble Gold Investments, check out our website, noblegoldinvestments.com, or give us a call at 877-646-5347.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.